Hey, my name is Nikki. In today's video I will show you how you can easily pimp a boring looking envelope with just a few simple steps. All you need is the envelope, of course, a sheet of printer paper, a soft pencil and an eraser, a pen, and 2 fine liners with 2 different nib sizes. Let's start with a sketch. For the flowers, I first draw a circle and mark the center. I place 2 more flowers for my bouquet. From the center of each circle, I draw 5 lines. These are the guidelines for the petals. In the middle, the petal is more narrow and becomes wider towards the outside. It looks more natural if the petals are drawn a little unevenly on the outside. Then I decide which petals should be in the foreground and draw everything over again more clearly. When I'm done with that, I begin to place some leaves around the flowers. Then I start with the second bouquet that I want to place in the opposite corner. I also draw 3 flowers and a few leaves here and there. This floral arrangement also needs to be shaped that it fits nicely into the corner of the envelope. If I'm done with that, I turn the page around and grab a very soft pencil. I use a 7B, but a 6 or a 5B would also do its thing. Then I hatch the backside wherever the drawing is. Time to transfer the drawing on the envelope. I start with a drawing for the upper left corner. If I hold the drawing and the envelope against the light, I can see which area will be transferred to it. If I placed it well, I start to trace the lines with a ballpoint pen. I have to use a little bit of pressure to make sure the lines will be visible on the other side. Then I do the same thing with the second drawing for the opposite corner. I take the fine liner with a bigger nib size and start outlining everything. In the left corner is a bit too much blank space, so I decided to add some more leaves. I use the fine liner with a smaller nib size to add details to the flowers. I start in the center of each flower. I go around and around, making many short strokes. With fine, long and short strokes, I add some details to each of the petals. I make sure that every line follows the natural shape of the petal. I grab the fine liner with a bigger nib size again and add some details to the leaves. And ready is a beautiful envelope with which you are guaranteed to give a lot of joy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!